We are going to start with price elasticity of supply. Now, what is price elasticity of supply? Price elasticity of supply of a good quantifies the responsiveness of quantity supplied to change in its price. That is, it is a percentage change in quantity supplied in response to percentage change in price of the good. Means कितनी हमारी supply change होती है with change in the price. If price will rise, no doubt supply will also rise, but how much? Now when we talk about the elasticity of supply concept, elasticity of supply concept is a quantitative term. We have done law of supply. Law of supply was a qualitative term, and the elasticity of supply is a quantitative concept because it tells us how much there will be change in the supply when there is change in the price. So it is a quantitative concept. Now there are 5 degrees in when we talk about this price elasticity of supply. That is perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, elastic, inelastic, and unitary elastic. So we'll study one by one. The very first is perfectly elastic supply. We have already done in demand also elastic stretches. So this will be elasticity of supply will be is equal to infinite. There is no change in the price, but then also price, your quantity increases or quantity decreases. Example is perfect competition. So perfectly elastic supply is the supply which have elasticity of supply is equal to infinite and price remain constant. Your quantity supply increases or quantity supply decreases. This is exactly an exception. Next, perfectly inelastic supply. Perfectly inelastic means price increases, price decreases, but there is no change in the quantity supply. Quantity supply बिल्कुल हमारी constant रहती है, वो change नहीं होती है. We take the example of vegetables, we take the example of perishable goods. जितनी मर्जी अनियन की प्राइस ज़्यादा हो जाए, अनियन की प्राइस कम हो जाए, but at that point of a time we cannot increase its supply because it depends upon the nature, that is a natural. So perfectly inelastic supply has elasticity of demand is equal to 0. An example for these type goods stand for your vegetables or we can say the perishable goods. In this price is changing 10, 20, 30, but your quantity supply remains constant, totally constant. So it's here by mistake I have written it is like quantity supply is going to be same 70, 70 and 70. There is no change in your your quantity supply. Next we talk about unitary elastic, which is also known as elastics, which is unitary elastic means equal to 1. If price increases by 50%, your quantity supply will exactly increases by 50%. If price decreases by 50%, quantity supply will decrease by 50%. That is percentage change in quantity supply is equal to percentage change in price. Change in Q is equal to change in P. Now just note one thing which is very important. Any supply curve which is starting from the origin, making any angle like this, or if we make it like this, किसी तरह भी कोई भी एंगल बनाए 90 डिग्री 40 डिग्री 50 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 20 डिग्री, अगर वो एंगल ओरिजिन से शुरू हो रहा है सप्लाई का, तो इलास्टिसिटी विल बी इज इक्वल टू 1 always. Now you can see if price is increasing from 100 to 200, your quantity supply is increasing from 1000 to 2000. So this is the case of unitary elastic, that is elasticity of supply is equal to 1. The next is greater than unitary elastic, that is elasticity of supply is greater than 1. In this, your percentage change in quantity supply is greater than percentage change in price. If price increases by 40%, your quantity supply will increase more than 40%. More than can become 41, 42, 50, 50, 140, 30, जितनी मर्जी. प्राइस हमारी इंक्रीज हो रही है अगर 40% से, तो क्वांटिटी सप्लाई विल इंक्रीज मोर देन योर 40%. इसके अंदर चेंज इन पी इज़ लेस देन चेंज इन क्यू. चेंज इन क्यू हमारा ज़्यादा होता है और चेंज इन पी हमारा लेस होता है. इसका जो सप्लाई कर्व होता है ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वाई एक्सिस. वाई एक्सिस से कहीं से भी शुरू हो सकता है और नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ योर एक्स एक्सिस. सो इट डिपेंड्स. दोनों में से जहाँ से भी शुरू हो, कोई सा भी एंगल बन रहा हो, your supply curve will be elasticity of supply will be greater than 1. You can see in this case if price increases from 10 to 15 but your quantity supply is doubled, that is more than your percentage change in the price. So what will happen? So your elasticity of supply will be greater than 1. Next is less than unitary elastic. Now in this, if price increases by 100%, your quantity supply will increase, but it will increase less than 100%. It can be 90, it can be 80, it can be 10, it can be 20, जितनी मर्जी, लेकिन 100% से कम होगी. इसके अंदर percentage change in price is more than percentage change in quantity. If price increases by 50%, quantity supply will increase but less than your 50%. इसका सप्लाई कर्व जो शुरू होता है हमेशा एक्स एक्सिस से शुरू होता है, or it can take it from the negative of the, or this you can see this either from here or like this. चाहे यहाँ से शुरू हो चाहे यहाँ से शुरू हो, will have your elasticity less than 1. That is unitary elastic. मैंने फिर भी दोबारा देखो बनाई है. यहाँ पे सप्लाई कर्व ए बी सी डी ई कहीं से भी शुरू हो, ओरिजिन से शुरू हो रहा है, कोई भी एंगल बना रहा है, will have elasticity of supply is equal to 1. All the curves starting from A till E. Now in this case this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. तीनों ही कहाँ से शुरू हो रहे हैं, वाई एक्सिस से या नेगेटिव ऑफ द एक्स एक्सिस. दैट विल हैव इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई इज ग्रेटर देन 1. नाउ इन दिस केस सपोज इट इज़ बी, ए, बी एंड सी. इसके अंदर कहाँ से शुरू हो रहे हैं, ईदर फ्रॉम द एक्स एक्सिस और नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ वाई एक्सिस. सो दिस विल हैव इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई विल बी लेस देन 1. So make one thing very clear. If the curve is given to and asked what is the elasticity, so you have to see from where it is originating, from where it is starting. If it is starting from 0, origin equal. If it is starting from y, greater. If it is starting from x, it is less.